students. So we continue with the same chapter, that is chapter 5, tables and hyperlinks in HTML. So previous day we learned how to create a web page using different text formatting tags. Okay. So today we are going to learn about bulleted or numbered tags. So let's start.
Chapter 5, Tables and Hyperlinks in HTML. Students, previous day we learned to create a web page using text formatting tags. So the text formatting tags are used to format the appearance of the text on your web page. So which are the text formatting tags? Yes, heading tags, bold tags, italic tags, underline and strikeout tags, superscript and subscript tags, and so on. Okay. So today we are going to learn about bulleted and numbered list. While creating a web page, if you want to list out some items in your web page, you can make use of this numbered list or bulleted list. Numbered list is also known as ordered list and bulleted list is also known as unordered list. So from the name itself, it's clear that numbered list. So your items are arranged in an order. Okay, so it is known as number list. Here you can see an example. These are the activities during a summer camp. So all the activities are arranged in an order, and you can see an ordered list has sequenced number in front of each item, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, it can be alphabets A, B, C, D, like that. Okay, so that is numbered or ordered list. In the case of bulleted or unordered list, there is no sequence followed for listing out the items, or there is the items are not arranged in an order. That is unordered list. Okay, so here the items are listed using bullets. Okay, so these are all the bullets. Bullets are available in different patterns also. Okay, clear? So if you want to create a list of items on your web page, you can make use of this list item tags. So this li represents list item. Okay. So the text enclosed between this li pair of tags form an item in the list. So you need to include every item in between these li tags, whether it may ordered or unordered. Okay. So each and every item, whether it can be in ordered list or in an unordered list, you must have to include every item between these li tags. Okay. So for creating a bulleted or unordered list, you have to make use of this UL tags. UL pair of tags. UL represent unordered list. UL means unordered list. So you have to open this tag, then list item tags. Okay. Then we have to use the list item tags. Then we have to close the unordered list tag. Okay. Next, for creating a numbered list, we have to make use of OL tags. OL represent ordered list. Okay. Ordered list tag. So unordered list and ordered list tags. So in between this ordered or unordered tags, we have to list the item tags. List item tags. Okay. To create a web page using bulleted or unordered list. So for creating a web page using bulleted or unordered list, which type of tags you are using? Yes, UL tag. That means unordered list. UL tags you have to use, and between the UL pair of tags you have to use the list item tags. Okay. So I need the content of my web page like this. Okay. That is, I need this summer camp at the center of my web page, and I need this in bold and underlined. Okay. After that, I need the list of items or list of activities as bulleted list. Okay. This is my content of the web page. So this is the body of my web page, right? So now I am creating the program, notepad program. So first of all, you have to start with HTML only. Okay. But I'm not starting from HTML. I'm starting from body only. I'm just created the body program only. Okay. The program for body part only. Before the body, you have to open the HTML, then you have to open the header, then you have to open the title and give a title for your web page and close the title and header tag. Then open the body. Now I need the summer camp at the center of my page. So I am using the center tag. So I open the center tag. Then I need in bold and underline. So I open the bold tag and underline tag. Okay. Then I have entered the summer camp, the text. Okay. Then I have to close all the tags whatever I have opened here in the reverse order. So first of all I have to close the underline, then close the bold tag, then close the center tag. Okay. Now after this, now I need my list of items as bulleted list. Okay. So this is bulleted list or unordered list. So I have to use the UL tag, unordered list tag. So open a unordered list tag and you have to close the unordered list tag. In between this pair of tags, you have to use the list item tags. So how we have to use the list item? You have to, for each and every item, you have to use the list item tag. So for basketball, I have opened the list item and closed. Okay. For cricket also, first I have to open the list item tag, then enter cricket, then close the list item tag. Like you have to create the list item tag for football and volleyball also. So I have listed out all the items in this unordered list. Then I have to close the unordered list, then close the body, then you have to close the what? HTML tag also. Right? So if you are creating the notepad program like this, your web page content will be like this. Okay. Now create a web page using numbered or ordered list. This program is same as the unordered list. Only difference is here we are using the UL tag instead of OL tag instead of UL tag. Okay. OL tag means ordered list tag. Ordered list tag. So instead of UL tag, you have to use here OL tag, ordered list tag. Okay. Rest of the things are same only. You have to open with the HTML, then open the header, then open the title, give a name, the title name for your web page, then close the title, then close the header. Then you have to open the body. In the body, I need a output like this. So in the center of the page, summer camp is there. So your text is summer camp and it should be in center, bold and underlined, and close the tags whatever you are opened at the beginning. Okay, in reverse order. Then you have to open the ordered list tag. Then you have to create the list item tags for each and every item in your ordered list, then close the ordered list tag, then close the body, then you have to close the HTML tag also. Okay. So if you are creating the notepad program like this for the numbered list, then your output will be like this. The content of your web page will be like this. Okay. So now I'll show you how to create a web page using bulleted list and to create a web page using numbered list. So let's start.
So children, for creating a bulleted list on your web page, you have to first open the notepad program in your computer. So open the notepad program. You can see here I have already opened the notepad program and I have given the program as OL. Okay. Now you have to start typing the different tags for creating the web page. So I need a bulleted list. So first of all I have to open the HTML tag. Under the HTML tag, yes, header tag. Then after that open the title tag and give a title name for your web page. I have given here SOS as my title and close the title. Then after that you have to close the header. Okay, header tag. Next open the body tag and within the body tag I have to use the list item tags. Okay, and within the body I need my body content as summer camp as at the middle of my page in bold and underlined. So I used center tag. I opened the center tag, then used bold and underline tag, then type the text summer camp, then I have to close the underline tag, bold tag and center tag. Okay, now after this under the summer camp I need my items as bulleted list. So these are all the items. So I have to list out all the items within this UL tags. UL means unordered list tag. Okay, that is bulleted tag. So I have to open the unordered list tag. Then I have to use the list item tags for each and every item in the bulleted list. So here I have opened the list item tag, then entered basketball and closed the list item tag. As I have created list item tag for cricket, football and volleyball. Okay, now I have to close my bulleted tag, that is UL tag, unordered list tag. Okay, next I have to close the body tag, and then I have to close the HTML tag. So this is my notepad program for creating a bulleted list for save the program file. So I have already saved as OL. Here I have shown you. Okay, I have already saved as OL. So now we will open the file from documents. So I have to go to the documents. Now you can see here. Okay, this is my notepad program. I have saved the notepad program in the extension of .html. So it is shown like this. Okay, now I have to open the web page. So double click on this. See, now you can see here the page is opened and we have given the title name as SOS. So here you can see SOS. Okay, now we have created the web page with bulleted list. Okay, so and at the middle center of the page I have given the text as summer camp in bold and underlined. So here you can see that in the center of the page. Okay, summer camp is there. Under the summer camp we have created the bulleted list. So here you can see basketball, cricket, football and volleyball as bulleted list. Okay, so this is the way how you have to create a web page using bulleted list. Now I will show you how to create a numbered list on web pages. So just I am going to the notepad program. Okay, so for the numbered list or ordered list, just you have to change the program. Here instead of UL we have to use here OL. Okay, so I'm closing with OL tag only. Okay, now we have to save whatever changes we have done. So we have to save the file and save. Okay, now we will go to the web page. This was my previous page. Now I have to refresh because I have done some changes. So refresh. Now you can see here the list become numbered. So now it is numbered list, right? So this is the way you have to create a bulleted list or a numbered list on your web page. I hope you understood today's topic.
So children, that's all about today's topic. Rest of the topic we will do in our next class. Okay, thank you.